Hey guys, how are you? My name is Sayyid Mohammed Saleh and you are watching SMS Cards Magics. I hope you all are good in these days, and yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you. I am here just to make you learn some moves. That that move is the basic of the cardistry. If you don't know cardistry, search in the YouTube, and cardistry is stuff like that will amaze everyone. It's not a magic, but it is. Yeah, these stuffs are done by the cards, and yeah. So today I will show you basic of the level one of cardistry. So if you don't know how to do this move, so you will be getting very much facing very much problems while practicing some cardistry stuffs. So let's get started. So I will make you learn this. This is actually somehow to cut the deck into half and put it here. This is a very basic. Experts do many complex things while doing this, and many stuff like that I cannot do. Everyone can do it, but it needs a lot of practice and a lot of strength to do it. So let them fall in your hand. Push the peg and then keep the peg on the top. So it is somehow shuffling, but not too much. It is a very basic shuffling, or it only changes this peg. That it is the only difference, that this peg comes here, and the deck, the peg which is bottom of that, and it comes to the top. So it is how it is done. The grip, while you will doing this move, this is how you will be gripping the deck. Four fingers at this place and thumb on here. Okay. Let the a bunch of cards, a pack, fall from your thumb. Okay, from your thumb. Don't let them fall from here. This will be like this. Okay, again this. Make this pack fall from your thumb, from the side where is your thumb. Okay, this will be automatically like this, and it will be okay. Now from the index finger that it is here, take this, take here at the bottom pack, push it, push. Now it is like this, in a triangular shape. If you will see like this, it is in a V shape. Now then move your thumb from here. This will be like this. Okay, push it more. Now your finger will be like this, so don't worry, take it out like this, and here we go. This pack is first it was in down, now keep on the top. This is how it's done. Again, let some cards fall from your thumb. Okay, thumb, push this. Your index finger was here. Now take this index finger and push this pack like this, and join this pack from the thumb like this, and it will be in V shape or in a triangular shape. Now take away your thumb from here. It will be like this, three fingers on this pack, and one that was pushing this pack. Okay, now push more from the index finger, push more, and let this pack fall like this. Now it will be like this. Your finger is bent. Now take it out like this. Now by the help of a thumb, put this pack, first it was in down, put this pack on the top of it. So yeah, This is very easy to do it, and again I am showing you just to do, and this needs a lot of practice. I can first you will doing with your two hands like this, grabbing this bag and doing like this and this. It's okay, it also happens to me at the first when I was learning, but your hands will be used to for of this move, and it will be very easy when you will practice it. Okay, like that maths, you practice it and you get perfect. In here magic is also a set of hand, you practice it, and cardistry also. Cardistry needs a lot of strength, a lot of practice. Every you will be thinking why my cards are falling, so you will be saying that oh my god, I am not doing it, is too much complicated, I cannot do it. Don't because don't say that or think that, because at the first I was also thinking that it is so hard, but I never thought that no, I cannot do it. Everyone can do it, and it is very easy to do it when you have done a lot of practice. So first of all, for the beginners, it will be falling cards from here, or the most importantly, when you do this, your finger is bent. When you take it out, some cards also being also taken out with your finger, but it is okay. So this is the key point for this. When here we go, so don't take out your finger like this from the skin. You have a nail, okay, from the nail is slippery, so from the nail take it out like this. Do not take your finger. If this is happening, do not take you will notice it, you will be taking a finger from the skin side. Look, when skin is somehow and screen in card are making friction, and this is also taking the cards. So take out your index finger from the nail, you can see from the nail, and then put it. So yeah, hope you all enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, if my channel gets 100 subscribers, I will be revealing one magic. Yeah, one magic. Please, I want 100 subscribers, and then I will be seeing that which magic suits you all and suits to reveal, because magicians are not supposed to reveal the magic Pen has said. So but I will, it is necessary, because you all, because how the magicians are will learn some magic. So I will reveal magic when I get 100 subs, or in the between that I will also teaching you some many moves like this cardistry stuffs and many things, or some I make you learn in my previous videos how to do riffle shuffle, how to do pharaoh shuffle, and many things, and everyone like that all, because, and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, please, I will be very happy. And hit the like button and turn on the notification bell. This will when you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload my video on YouTube, one notification will be there on your screen that SMS Cards Magic has uploaded a video. Please check it out, and this will be like this. So please subscribe, please.